Welcome to another Investor Spotlight Series brought to you by the Mountain Home Area Chamber of Commerce. I'm Eric Toddy, Director of Membership and Sales. We have Ashley powering our technology today, and I'm here with Dr. Corey Smith for Vitality Plus Wellness and Infusion Center. So that covers a lot, doesn't it, Dr. Smith?
It does, yes. So generally we specialize in hormone replacement for both men and women. So we welcome patients to come in or be referred to our facility to come in for hormone testing if they're having hot flashes, night sweats, if they're having problems with weight gain or potentially weight loss. We welcome patients to come in with their symptoms and get tested. We have a convenient lab right here in our facility where we can handle any testing that needs to be done related to hormone deficiency.
Great. Now, tell us a little bit about the infusions that you do as well.
So we do vitamin infusions for patients, particularly, if they're feeling, sick or down or low energy. We have infusions that help with energy. We have infusions that help with concentration. We have infusions that help with weight loss and just, generally hydration. So patients that are frequently dehydrated, we welcome those patients as well.
So it's a pretty easy process. Just get an IV put into you and that replenishes the things that your body might have lost.
Exactly. And we can do testing also to see if there's certain vitamins or minerals that people may be deficient in, and we can test and replenish those. Our infusions generally can take between 30 minutes to an hour, so it's pretty quick. In and out the facility. We try to keep it as hassle-free as possible.
Well, that's good. So it's not necessarily just for people that might have an issue, but to keep their health going as well, right?
Yeah, it's we consider this, not just a sickness clinic, but a wellness clinic. So we want patients feeling good and optimized, and that's what we focus on at the Vitality Plus Wellness Center.
And not only that, you've got now you've got Westar Fitness, right, for wellness as well.
I do. I recently procured Westar Fitness, which again is an extension of what I'd like to provide to the community to help focus on wellness. And we will be integrating that, and there'll be some exciting announcements coming for that as well, how we're going to integrate that here with our facility.
Well, we definitely look forward to it. And you can get a hold of Vitality Plus here by calling 870-232-0885. And your website is?
Our website is vitalitypluswellnesscenter.com.
vitalitypluswellnesscenter.com. And you're here on Medical Plaza.
So it's 19 Medical Plaza. We've got a couple of clinics here in the building. So we've got my Ozark Pelvic Health Clinic, which is located in the clinic as well, along with the Vitality Plus Wellness Center and Infusion Center.
Very good. I think we've covered it all today. Dr. Smith, thanks for joining us today. We appreciate it.
Thanks so much.
You bet. And you can also find their listing at enjoymountainhome.com under the membership directory. Until next time, have a great day.